This is a Netgear CG3100D modem and 3.0 modem as well. So it has this same SPI chip as 6121 and 6141. We are going to use Ulink NT to program this device. So to take out the board, we need to unscrew these screws and take out the back plate. Then carefully, there is an antenna at the bottom, and then you need to take this antenna off, and then you have the board here. So on the board, this is the SPI chip here, and on the low left side here, this is pin 1. So to be able to program it, we are going to supply the 3.3 volt as we did in the previous video. Use this power adapter and use this jumper wire here and this clip. So to clip here and supply 3.3 volt to it and connect this side to the PC. Okay, let's head to the PC and see if we can detect this properly. Here we go to the software and we want to select a CG3100D. So go to the configuration and type CG, and we do have a CG3100D SPI 3100D. And I always connect the USB first and then power. It works for me. You may have different order, but make sure the SPI clip is on. The clip is connected. So now I plug in the USB, and then we power on the power adapter. I noticed 3.3 volt was applied, and immediately I got 1.8 amps of it, and then dropped to the 680. And now see if we can detect. Yes, we can. So always make a backup, as I said before. So go to the old flash and read it. Yeah, we can verify again just to make sure we have good read. Sometimes you may have the too long wires, or sometimes there's interference, or sometimes the CPU was working. So when we read 2 times working and look at the image, they do look reasonable. And now we can select all flash and save to it. So I call it a backup. And let's do some basic programming. Let's say I want to erase everything. So let's erase everything. And you need to notice the progress bar, as well as if you visually see the Ulink NT, it has a LED flashing. That means it's progressing. If it gets stuck, it may cause some, issues on the target. But in this case, it's erasing, and we can make sure it does get erased. So it says finish for 33 seconds, and I initialize all the data, and we can verify, see if the target is completely erased. It is. So now let's program it back, and let's try to. This erase is unnecessary because we already know it's erased, but it's for simplicity. This right button will do the erase and then reprogram. If you want to save time, not erase it, you can type here with the in this one it's called S program. But let's see. Yeah, when programming as well, so LED will be blinking on the Ulink NT, indicate it's working. Sometimes if the flash is too big and the progress bar will not show up for a certain time, then the LED blinking can show this is working. And finish in 26 seconds. It's faster than even the erase, so let's verify it.